Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside After Effects, so open Preferences right now and go to Appearance. You need to adjust the UI scale or UI font size field. This controls text and panel layout across the app. Change it to a specific percentage, for example 100% or 125%, so you can preview how layout shifts. Make sure to keep an eye on panel crowding as you increase size. Once set, don't click OK yet. Proceed to the next step to apply and confirm the change. After you click OK, save any open projects and close After Effects completely so preference changes can load properly. You must relaunch the application. A quick restart forces the UI engine to rebuild with the new font metrics. When After Effects reopens, inspect key panels, project, timeline, and effect controls, verify text legibility, and that buttons aren't cut off. If panels overlap or text wraps oddly, you'll need to adjust scale again or reset workspace layout. Once the app is restarted, fine-tune the UI scale in small increments until you reach a balance of readability and usable workspace. You want bigger text without hidden controls. If panels misalign, reset your workspace from the window menu to restore expected positions. If the font size looks incorrect or crashes occur, toggle the Use Legacy Appearance option and try again, or update your GPU drivers and After Effects to ensure compatibility. One key tip: test with a typical project to confirm everyday.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.